Good afternoon, my name's Alex Webb and I am here at Startin SKODA, and I just thought I'd show you around one of our prized pieces of stock, one of the SKODA Octavias. So this is a 2019 registration, 2-litre diesel, SEL trim, so the most popular trim and probably one of the most popular engines because of the amazing miles to the gallon that this car can perform at. So I just thought I'd show you a bit of a walk around video, just giving you a bit more detail on it. Try and show you the inside, the outside, some of the alloys, just so you can get a feel of your next car purchase. So here it is in the gorgeous quartz grey metallic paint. You'll notice then it's got the nice silver alloy wheels as well. Looks really, really gorgeous, especially in the sunlight, which is always a rarity nowadays. So just to show you a bit more of a close-up of the wheel, looks really, really nice. Really well looked after car. This car's actually only got 3,500 miles on, so a very, very small amount. Notice you've then got your LED indicator strips on the wing mirrors as well. Front and rear LED lights. Now the reason the Octavia is so popular, and it's been actually won the award for best family car for about 5 or 6 years running in a row, is because of the enormous boot space and the very practical size and dimensions of the Octavia. So I'll show you that in a second. You'll notice you've got your dominant prominent SKODA badge there right in the middle. And then just to show you inside of the boot, you also have your rear parking sensors on this model, but as I say, this absolutely cavernous space inside there. So loads and loads and loads of room. One of the industry leading boot sizes for this style of car. You've got a little 12-volt charger in the left-hand side there. These little plastic pockets are actually completely removable, so if you are a golfer and you'd like to get your extra clubs in there, you certainly can do. And it also has the facility to fold down those rear seats as well. But as I say, absolutely monstrous size boot there. Just going down the other side as well. Really, really nicely looked after this car. I'll just show you inside the back. So absolutely gorgeous. I actually whipped around this before doing the video just to check and see if there are any marks, but there aren't. To be honest, it looks absolutely stunning. So in the back, I don't actually think anyone's ever sat in the back of this. You've got your two-tone cloth and Alcantara seats. Really, really comfortable, great for long journeys, and if you are someone who puts people in the back with long legs, they will be absolutely fine. I'm about 6 foot myself, and it leaves me a good couple of inches in front of my knees before the back of the seat as well. Just opening up on the inside, so inside you've got your electric window controls and your wing mirror controls on the right hand side below that very shiny chrome door handle. You've then got your automatic lights, automatic windscreen wipers, audio mounted controls on the steering wheel. You've got your just your mileometer, there in the center, which is 3,500 miles. You get your 2 cup holders. This one's actually got the world famous DSG direct shift gearbox automatic, one of the nicest and smoothest gearbox on the market today. You've then got your climate control, which allows you to have individual temperatures for the driver and passenger, and then you've got that gorgeous touchscreen just at the top there, which has got your DAB radio, Bluetooth, Smart Link if you're a smartphone user, and sat-nav built in as well. So loads and loads of cool features on this. As I say, this is probably one of the most popular trims. This is the one we always get asked for. And there you have it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed having a look around the Octavia today. If you do have any questions or any queries, please feel free to contact me directly. My name's Alex Webb. You can either phone me on 01905 830 361, or you can email me directly at alexander.webb, which is WEBB, at startingroup, which is all one word, .co.uk. Thanks very much for listening, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.